Taryn Aitken has 2 toddlers in daycare. She says it was already expensive. Now it's up $368. It means for both kids, it costs more than $2,000 a month.
We've definitely had to do some reevaluating the decision whether or not we can afford to put our 3-year-old in swimming lessons or skating lessons. We've decided to hold back on those extracurriculars.
And she's not alone.
I think it was honestly shock.
Michelle Quarkapome in Burlington got a letter from her daycare.
6 days before Christmas, you get this message saying, by the way, next month you have $630 more you have to spend on daycare.
The reason given, Ontario's minimum wage hike.
There's rent control. There should be some sort of control on daycare rates so that, you know, overnight rates can't go up by 24%.
Her daycare wouldn't talk to CBC, but did confirm its rates went up. Last night, the Premier acknowledged the concerns, tweeting that she's working to keep costs down with special funding for childcare centres. Joan Brain runs 2 daycares in Ontario and says she hasn't seen any money yet. She had no choice but to up her prices, so far by $1 a day per child. And she worries she may have to increase them even more.
Because we won't be able to make ends meet. Because unfortunately, our food costs are going to go up, any toys and equipment, all the other costs are going to go up.
When Alberta's minimum wage increased, so did fees at some daycares. Nothing like these amounts, however, their wage hike was also smaller.
It's a percentage.
Taryn Aitken wants to shift the discussion altogether towards universal childcare.
People say, why do I have to pay for your child to go to daycare? Well, why do I have to pay for your lung cancer treatment? It's about society working together.
Michelle Quarkapome isn't waiting for that discussion. She found a different childcare centre, and now she's actually saving money. Lorenda Redicomp, CBC News, Burlington, Ontario.